In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the visibility of your mouse pointer while recording a game or capturing a game on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select the gaming, and then on the right side, select captures. If you scroll down underneath where it says capture mouse cursor when recording a game, toggle this to the off position if you want to disable it or hide the mouse pointer, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.